Welcome to our HTML video, and we're still on forms, and this time we are going to look at what we call the number box, right? The previous we've been looking at different types, and here still the input is going to remain as input, but the type will have to change to number. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out. We can save it, of course. Save our code, and then we come and refresh our page. Oh, there we go. So we have come up with a number, a box number, or a number box, right? So you can increase, it has the up and down arrows, whereby the up arrow will increase the number. You see, you can see that I'm increasing the number by actually clicking on the upper arrow, and I can as well reduce the number by clicking at the down arrow to negatives and infinity. You can as well type in, right? You can type in 100, right? Yeah, something like that. You can type in 400, hit enter, it's gone, right? Now, you may want to be specific or limit the number of characters that can go into that number box, right? So you can come still here, where you made your input, all right, here, and then you can still come and actually input another element, right? Okay, so when you come in here, you're actually going to put and introduce min. Sorry, that's Monday, but I wanted to type in min, standing for minimum. Alright, you can set a minimum range to maybe 0. Okay, yeah, so open quotes and then insert your value, and then you can come down to the maximum, because you're sending the range. Range is between, it has a minimum and then a maximum. So you hit the equal sign, open quotes, and maybe we can think give it to 50, right? 50, yeah, 50 can be our maximum. So when you go ahead and hit the save, and then we come to our browser, you realize that if I refresh this, it's going to reduce, because we have limited it to 50. Okay, so when I refresh that, definitely what I said has happened. Alright, so when I come here, I can increase this. Alright, I can keep increasing, but I can't go above 50. You can see that I'm trying to increase, but it has given me a limit. Well, I can as well go down, but remember our range is 0, so I cannot go beyond 0. When I reach 0, it stops. So that's how you can set a minimum and maximum number using the min and max range. Okay, now you see that before it was going to infinity, negative, and then positive, but right now it's stopping at 0 and stopping at 50. So that is it for today. Okay, before I close that, you can even try typing in. Alright, if you type in 50, you hit enter, it will be accepted, and you type in maybe 10, you hit enter, it will be accepted. Okay, but if you type in a number above 50, because remember your range is this, 50, maximum is 50, so if you type a number above 50, let's say 100, and you hit enter, it will definitely tell you that the value should be less or equal to 50, so that value cannot be accepted. Alright, so that is it about the number box. Catch up with you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.